Alright guys, been hard at work today. Got the grid gasket up from All-Star CNC. Check out my previous reel. I'm freaking speechless. I cannot, I'm at a loss for words. Just check it out. Hold down power is absolutely incredible. And that was with the MDF. Now I want to do a test with the tile gasket. All right, I'm gonna turn the pumps on, and we're running one zone, and I'm running both primary and secondary on the Black Box Hurricane. This is a 4x4 coaster. So that is using a significant amount of my strength to be able to move that 4-inch by 4-inch coaster. I'm telling you guys, I'm blown away. This is incredible. If you didn't see my previous reel to my previous reel, my old vacuum system, which this replaced, MDF plenum, MDF spoilboard, not gasketed. It was not able to hold that part at all. It was just an ice skating rink. I'm blown away.